Hi, this is Gary Berger of Berger Law. I'm here with my client and friend Corwin Watson. Corwin, how are you?
I'm doing well.
All right, so how long have we known each other?
Wow, we have known each other now. It's been since I was 16 years old, so we're talking almost 20 years.
20 years, 20
Yeah.
years. Corwin's a friend of our family and a longtime friend, a hard worker. You're one of the hardest workers I've ever known. I mean, you have done locksmithing, you've done over around the world traveling and security work and cybersecurity work and labor work. Corwin and I put in a patio in my house in U City one time with the sand and the bricks, and we laid the whole thing together. That was hard work.
Oh, fun project though.
So you're one of the hardest working guys I know. So I've always thought of that as, and so why are we doing this video? How did we help you from the legal side?
Well, so I've been working in locksmithing for some years now, and then over time, just overuse injury. I got injured on the job, and you were my first stall.
And we represented you a workers' compensation claim. We filed the injury claim. We settled it pretty quickly.
Absolutely, very fast.
Very quickly, and you're getting a big check here.
Yes.
Did you know that this check you have here? Do you want me to tell the amount, or do you not want to share
Sure,
that?
it doesn't matter. Yeah.
Yeah. So there's about 25 grand in your pocket, right?
Yes.
Which is a big result.
It
comp.
is.
Comp's kind of cheap, honestly. Comp's pretty cheap. It doesn't give as high a recovery. You don't have to prove negligence in comp. You don't have to prove that anybody was liable. But on the other hand, they don't pay as much. So net in your pocket. Did you know that this is not taxable?
I did not know that.
There you go.
All right.
And you don't even have to put it on your tax return. So it's one of the areas where the government doesn't tax it, state or federal. If it's an injury settlement, it's not taxable. It's not a taxable event, and you don't even have to put it on your tax return.
Perfect.
So
All
that's
better.
even more
That's
money
even
in your
better.
pocket, right?
Definitely, certainly.
So would you tell us about your experience with Berger Law? And you don't just have to be nice just because we know
No,
each other.
not at all. Seamless, responsive, and then negotiating. I just couldn't believe how smoothly that went.
Isn't Genevieve great?
Genevieve's great, wonderful.
Yeah. The one person not in this video who's
absolutely.
holding the phone is Genevieve Fikes, who's a rock star. I'm so proud to work with her.
And and it got to the point where I had been dealing with it for a little bit prior to me hiring you. The injury I had surgery on it. It had been almost a year. And so when Genevieve took it, I was at this point, I'm like, just settle. It doesn't matter, whatever they'll give me. And she's like, no.
Don't tell the other side. Go ahead.
But she was certainly like, no, let's just, they're easy to work with, and let me shoot this offer out and see what they say. And so again, I applaud her and appreciate the hard work that she did, and it turned out in my favor. Fantastic.
Right. Any other lessons? Is there anything you didn't know about the process that you've learned since you've gone through it?
Well, the insurance company is cheap. They're going to lowball you with their first offer, typically. And so that was new.
So come to Berger Law
come to
sooner
Berger
rather
Law.
than later?
Absolutely. It behooves you to do that.
There you go. Well, it's been our pleasure thanks for doing the video. It's been our pleasure to represent you. Would you recommend us to other people?
Oh, absolutely. 100%.
All right, great. Hey, thanks everybody. Thank you.